Okay, in this video we'll be solving questions of exercise 8.3 of class 10th trigonometry. Let's straight away jump to the first question. What does the first question says? We have to express trigonometric ratios of sin A, secant A and tan A in terms of cot A. ಈ ಮೂರು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ನ ಕಾಟ್ ಎ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ವಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನೋ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಬೈ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ, ವೆರಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಬೈ ಸೈನ್ ಎ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 by cot ಎ. ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಎ ಆರ್ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೊಕಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬಂತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎ. ಸೈನ್ ಎನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೈನ್ ಎಗೂ ಕಾಟ್ ಎಗೂ ಏನು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹುಡುಕಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸೈನ್ ಎಗೂ ಕಾಟ್ ಎಗೂ ಯಾವುದೂ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಲಿಂಕೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ವಿಚ್ ಸೇಸ್ ಕಾಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 plus cot square ಎ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಫರ್ದರ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೋ cosecant A is equal to 1 by sin A. Okay na? So we will substitute this in above. So we get therefore 1 divided by sin A square is equal to 1 plus cot square A. So this is nothing but 1 by sin square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Taking reciprocal we get sin square A is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus cot square A by taking reciprocal. Okay, so we get now sin A is equal to, therefore sin A is equal to 1 divided by square root of 1 plus cot square A. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ square root of 1 is nothing but 1 only. So we got sin A also. Now we need what is they asked for? Secant A. Secant ಎಗೂ ಕಾಟ್ ಎಗೂ ಏನು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ನು ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. secant ಎಗೂ ಕಾಟ್ ಎಗೂ ಏನು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ನು ಅಂತ. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ವಿ ನೋ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ secant ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 plus tan ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಬಟ್ or I can directly say therefore secant A is equal to square root of 1 plus tan square A, but tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. ನಮಗೆ cot A ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ we get secant A is equal to square root of 1 plus 1 by cot A square. So this becomes square root of, denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ cot square A ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ನ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಟ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಎನ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದ 3 ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ರೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎ in terms of secant A. Okay, so what are the trigonometric ratios of angle A? We want sin A, cos A, tan A, sin in reciprocal, cosecant A, then secant A and cot A. Okay, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು secant A terms ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 1 by secant A. secant A is nothing but secant A only. ಸೊ ಇದೆರಡು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಎ. ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೈನ್ ಎಗೂ secant ಎಗೂ ಏನು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ ದ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. But what is cos A? but cos A is nothing but 1 by secant A. Therefore we get sin square A, cos A ಬದಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ 1 by secant square A ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ is equal to 1. I will take this that side. I get sin square A is equal to 1 minus 1 by secant square A. This is nothing but LCM secant square A common ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ divided by secant square A is sin square A. So therefore I get sin A is equal to ಎರಡು ಸೈಡು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ I will get square root of secant square A minus 1 divided by secant A. Okay, so I got sin A. Sin A in terms of secant A. What is sin A in terms of secant A? I have got this as square root of secant square A minus 1 divided by secant A. Sin A ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಮಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ? tan A. What is tan A? Tan A is nothing but sin A divided by cos A. sin A ಏನಿದೆ in terms of secant A? sin A ಅನ್ನು ತಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಇಡ್ತೀನಿ is equal to square root of secant A divided by secant A divided by cos A. Cos A is nothing but 1 by secant A. 1 by secant A. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ secant A ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ tan A ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ತು? tan A is nothing but square root of secant square A minus 1. Okay, so tan A ಬಂತ. So tan A is nothing but square root of secant square A minus 1. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಮಗೆ cosecant A ಏನು? what do we know about cosecant A? Cosecant A is nothing but 1 by sin A na. So sin A is already expressed in terms of secant A, so ಅದ್ರದ್ದು reciprocal. So this becomes secant A divided by square root of secant square A minus 1. Okay, ಇನ್ಯಾವುದು ಉಳಿತು? secant A ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ is cot A. what is cot A? cot A is nothing but 1 by tan A. so tan A ದು reciprocal ಬರೆಯೋಣ is equal to 1 divided by square root of secant square A minus 1. so these are the all the trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of secant A. Next, question number 3. Question number 3 ನಲ್ಲಿ part 1. It's a MCQ question. Choose the correct option, justify your choice. Okay, so let us take the first question. It says 9 secant square A minus 9 tan square A is what? ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಏನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ? 9 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. So I get secant square A minus tan square A. Now what is the identity which connects secant square and tan square A? We know that secant square is equal to 1 plus tan square A. But ನಮಗೇನು ಬೇಕು? secant square A minus tan square A ಬೇಕು. So I'll bring this tan square A this side. So I get secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Okay, so this I will substitute here. This becomes 9 into 1 is equal to 9. So the correct answer is 9. Okay, next, second one. You have to find the value of 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. There are two ways of solving this. Either you can directly solve it. Let us do the direct method first. So 1 into this whole, 1 into this becomes 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. But next tan in the full multiply ಮಾಡೋದು. So this plus 1 into tan theta is tan theta plus tan theta into cot theta. Okay, minus tan theta into cosecant theta. Okay, then next secant theta in the plus secant theta into 1 plus secant theta into cot theta minus secant theta into cosecant theta. Okay, so now next what we have got? What can we do? Okay, what is tan theta into cot theta? Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So this becomes 1. Alright. So 1 plus 1 is 2 plus what I will write tan theta cot theta. Cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta minus cosecant theta I will write it as 1 by sin theta. I will convert these to simpler terms. Plus tan theta minus tan theta is what? Sin theta by cos theta into cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta plus secant theta is 1 by cos theta plus secant theta is 1 by cos theta into cos theta by sin theta minus secant theta is 1 by sin cos theta into 1 by cos theta. Secant theta is 1 by cos theta, cosecant theta is 1 by sin. Everything I have taken it into terms of sin and cos. This also I will make it as 1 by tan is nothing but cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta plus I will write this as sin theta by cos theta minus sin cancel agi 1 by cos theta agutte. This will be plus 1 by cos theta plus cos cancel agi 1 by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? minus 1 by sin theta plus 1 by sin theta minus plus. So this is equal to 2 plus cos theta by sin theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Okay. So next ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? This equal to I'll take the LCM. Sin theta into cos theta is the LCM. So this is 2 sin theta cos theta plus this becomes cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 1. Okay. So this is nothing but what is cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So this gets cancels with this. We get 2 sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta is equal to 2. So the answer is 2. Okay. Now let us try to do the same question in a different way. Hopefully that will be the easier way. 1 plus tan theta into secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ I will convert everything in terms of sin and cos. So that this will nothing be, this will be like tan theta is sin theta by cos theta plus secant theta is 1 by cos theta into 1 plus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta minus cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. So what is the LCM here? It will be cos theta. So numerator becomes cos theta plus 1 plus sin theta. Correct? ಅದೇ ಥರ here numerator will be, denominator LCM will be sin theta. Numerator becomes sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. I will arrange this as sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 divided by cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta. This is nothing but, see here you observe this, I will treat this term as A. You have got this here as A. This is A and this will also be A. So we have got A numerator A plus 1 into A minus 1. This is nothing but A square minus B square. Okay. So what does this become? This becomes sin theta plus cos theta whole square. E numerator multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ is A plus B into A minus B, which is A square minus B square. So A ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 square divided by sin theta into cos theta. This is nothing but A plus B whole square, which is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB minus 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. See, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. This gets cancelled with this one. you are left with 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta. So these two gets cancelled and you get the same answer as 2. Okay, next third part. This is very simple. See, trigonometryಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ಏನೇ ಸೀಕೆಂಟು ಕಾಟು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಕಾಸಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡುವ, ಆಯಿತಾ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್ secant a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a. What is secant a? 1 by cos a. What is tan a? Sin a by cos a is 1 into 1 minus sin a. This is equal to cos a 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a. Alright, similarly this is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So 1 square minus sin square a divided by cos a. 1 minus sin square a. Sin square a ಇದು cos square a ಗೂ ಏನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. We know that sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Therefore cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a ಕಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ cos square a ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. So this is numerator becomes cos square a divided by cos a, which is equal to cos a. So cos a ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? cos a. Okay, answer D is correct. Okay, similarly let's now come to the fourth question. Fourth part, what does it says? We want to find 1 plus tan square a divided by 1 plus cot square a. Okay, so what we can do is you can directly convert it to sin and cos. So this is equal to 1 plus sin square a by cos square a divided by 1 plus cos square a by sin square a, because cot a is sin a by cos a by sin a and tan a is sin a by cos a. Tan ಮತ್ತು cot ನ sin ಮತ್ತು cos terms ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. is equal to numerator ಅಲ್ಲಿ LCM cos square a, it becomes cos square a plus sin square a. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ sin square a, LCM, this becomes sin square a plus cos square a. We know that sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ therefore ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 plus cos square a divided by 1 plus sin square a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, right? So this is nothing but 1 by cos square a divided by 1 by sin square a is equal to 1 by cos square a into sin square a is equal to sin a by cos a whole square is equal to tan square a, right? So tan square a ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So answer is D, which is tan square a. Okay, now let us come to question number 4. Prove the following identities. Prove the following identities where angles involved are acute angles. In class 10th we are discussing mainly for trigonometric ratios related to acute angles, okay, for which the expressions are defined. Okay, so they are giving various identities. We have to prove that the left hand side will become the RHS. LHS and RHS are same. Okay, so let us take the first one. First one is we have to prove cosecant theta minus cot theta the whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, see, one hint in such questions is, as much as possible we'll try to simplify it by taking all the ratios to sin and cos. That is first one. Second hint is, always see what RHS is. From LHS we have to go to RHS. So keep in mind, right hand side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ LHS, we'll take LHS. Left hand side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to, what did I say? First ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ನ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಸಿಗೆ ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ cosecant theta? It is nothing but 1 by sin theta. And what is cot theta? Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta in terms of sin and cos. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Okay. Next what we are getting, this is nothing but 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta. LCM sin theta ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ನ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಈಗ RHS ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 1 minus cos theta ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1 plus cos theta. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus cos theta ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 1 minus cos theta ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾನ 1 plus cos theta ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಾದರೂ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನು, ವಿ ನೋ ದಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ, ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಗೂ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಗೂ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ 1. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so that we are using here, this becomes 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by 1 minus cos square theta. Further ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ, ಸಿ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Therefore 1 square minus cos square theta, 1 is nothing but 1 can also be written as 1 square, is equal to 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Correct? So we have got this. Next, so we will substitute that here. This becomes 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by 1 minus cos square theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This is equal to, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆ 1 minus cos theta whole square ಅಂದರೆ 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So this and this cancels and we've got RHS. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? RHS ಏನಿದೆ ಇದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಹಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು ನಾನು, ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಸಿಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ. ಎರಡನೇ ಹಿಂಟ್ ಏನು, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದ್ರ ತಕ್ಕಂತೆ ನಾವು LHSನ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಗೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ LHS to RHS by using the various identities. Okay, let's come to the second one. Second one ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೇಮ್ LHS RHS. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ LHS ಇಂದ RHS ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ 2 secant A ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ this can be, we can also express this as 2 secant A na, we can also say it, if we get 2 by cos A also we will get the answer. Correct? So let us take the LHS first. LHS is equal to cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. Simple, already sin cos ಇದೆ. So LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು we will add them. So what will be the LCM? 1 plus sin A into cos A. ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, cos A into cos A plus 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. This is equal to cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole square divided by, we will keep it as it is, let us see, divided by 1 plus cos A. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು as it is ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, RHS ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು cos A ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್, ಈ cos A ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಮೈಟ್ ರಿಮೈನ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ and this whole thing might convert to 2. Correct? So our thinking alli nanu I am not expanding this. Okay, so I'll continue this. Numerator na expand ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Cos square a plus what we have here, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I'll write this as cos square a plus 1 plus sin a whole square becomes 1 square plus sin square a plus 2 into sin a into 1 divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಡೆದು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ಇದೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಗೂ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಗೂ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ? ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, this cos square a and this sin square a together they will become 1. So we have 1 plus this one as it is. This cos square a and sin square a becomes 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin a as it is, 2 sin a ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. This is equal to 2 plus 2 sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. This is equal to numerator 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, 2 into 1 plus sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, 1 plus sin a 1 plus sin a ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 by cos a is nothing but secant a is equal to 2 secant a is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay na? So we have to keep an eye on the RHS always in such problems. Okay. Okay. Now let's come to the third one. Here already ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, write the expression in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Okay. So already they have given the hint. So let us take the LHS. LHS what we have got is equal to tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. Okay. So what is tan theta in terms of sin and cos? Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta and cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Using these two here we get LHS is equal to sin theta by cos theta divided by 1 minus cot theta is cos theta divided by sin theta plus what is cot theta? Cot theta is cos theta by sin theta divided by 1 minus tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Okay. ಸೊ LCM ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಟರ್ಮು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಆದರೂ ಸಮಾಧಾನವಾಗಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ LCM ಹಿಯರ್? LCM ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ denominator is sin theta, so numerator becomes sin theta minus cos theta. This will be sin theta by cos theta plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ denominator LCM ಏನು? cos theta. So numerator of denominator becomes cos theta minus sin theta divided by numerator will be cos theta by sin theta. So here denominator of denominator it goes to numerator. So it becomes sin theta into sin theta, or for your convenience I will write this. ಇದು ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, this comes here sin theta by cos theta into ಇದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇರೋದು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಟು ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. ಅದೇ ಥರ we have got cos theta by sin theta. ಇದು ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, this I have taken it here into this will come here cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Okay. So next step ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this will become cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, sin square theta plus what will this become, cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. All right. All right. So next, see here you observe this. This is cos theta minus sin theta, and this is sin theta minus cos theta. So what I will do is, I will just take minus 1 outside. So I can write this as sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta divided by sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅಂದರೆ, be careful here. Here I have taken out minus 1. So this becomes sin theta minus cos theta, and this plus becomes minus here. Okay. So this is nothing but, now I can say that LCM will be sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. This will become sin square theta into sin theta. So sin cube theta minus cos square theta into cos theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. So this will be cos cube theta. Now we have numerator ಅಲ್ಲಿ a cube minus b cube ತರ, sin cube minus cos cube theta. So what is sin cube, what is a cube minus b cube? We know identity a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. So e identity na we'll use for sin and cos. So sin cube minus cos cube theta becomes sin theta minus cos theta into a square will be sin square theta plus a into b will be sin theta into cos theta plus b square will be cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. What you can observe here, this cancels with this, and ನಿಮಗೆ sin square ಮತ್ತು cos square ಕಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಂತ ಆಗಬೇಕು, we have got sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this becomes 1 plus sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Okay. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, they have given as 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. So ಇದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. This becomes 1 by sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Okay. So this is 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta into 1 by cos theta is secant theta plus this cancels, we have got 1. This is nothing but your RHS. Okay. Okay, now let's come to the fourth question. Fourth similar LHS and RHS. Here they have given one hint. See, sometimes ಬರೀ LHS ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು RHS ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತೋರಿಸೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ LHS ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, RHS ನ ಅದೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಬೆಟರ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ LHS. LHS is equal to what? 1 plus secant A by secant A. Now what do we know? ನಮಗೇನು ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್, ಆದಷ್ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ secant A is equal to 1 by cos A. So substituting that we get 1 plus 1 by cos A divided by 1 by cos A. So this cos A goes up and we get 1 plus 1 by cos A into cos A. So we get cos A plus 1. So we'll keep it as it is. Okay, we'll keep it as it is. Right. Next we will take RHS. RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, RHS right hand side is equal to sin square A divided by 1 minus cos A. All right. ಇಲ್ಲಿ we have got only cos A here. Okay. So but here sin ಮತ್ತು cos ಇದೆ. So sin ನ ನಾವು cos ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. sin ಗೂ cos ಗೂ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಥ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ? We know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Therefore, sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. This we will substitute here. So we have got sin square A, which becomes 1 minus cos square A by 1 minus cos A. Now as soon as you see 1 minus cos A in denominator and numeratorly 1 minus cos square A is there, so you think of the term A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So using this identity, numerator becomes 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos A. So this 1 minus cos A, this 1 minus cos A cancel again. What we are left with is 1 plus cos A. Now we can see that LHS is equal to RHS is equal to cos A plus 1. Hence proved. Okay. Next question. Cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosecant A plus cot A. Using the identity cosecant square A, we have to use this identity. Cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A, right? Okay, so let us take LHS. So here they have given the hint. ಇಲ್ಲಿ RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, cosecant A ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು cot A ಇದೆ. So let us not take it to sin and cos. We will try to convert the LHS to cosecant and cot. So we have got LHS is equal to cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Okay. So what I will do is I will divide both numerator and denominator by sin A. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ cos A by sin A is equal to cot A ತಾನೆ. So that's why I will divide both numerator and denominator by sin A. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, I get cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by sin A divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 divided by sin A. So each ಒಂದೊಂದೇ term ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ I get cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A divided by cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Okay. So now we know that cos A by sin A is equal to cot A. So cot A minus sin A cancel 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ plus 1 by sin A becomes cosecant A divided by, similarly I get cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. Okay. Now what I will do is I have got 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. This identity ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಏನು 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A ಅಂತ. So I can write this as cot A minus 1 plus cosecant A, and ಇದು similarly I can write this as cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ I have got 1 minus cosecant A, correct? So what I can do is a numerators no similar term ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, if I put a bracket here, this minus becomes, this plus becomes minus. ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ this becomes minus, because minus into minus is plus. Okay. So now I have got A minus B divided by A plus B ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, similar terms. Okay. So what I will do is I will rationalize this. Rationalize ಅಂದರೆ multiply numerator and denominator by cot A minus 1 minus cosecant A. So what I get is I multiply cot A minus 1 minus cosecant A ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, I will multiply it by denominator. If you get multiply, you will get A plus 1 minus cosecant A into cot A minus 1 minus cosecant A. Okay, now this is nothing but denominator is a square minus b square, numerator is a plus b whole square. That is, we have numerator as cot A minus 1 minus cosecant A whole square divided by a square minus b square. Okay, so a minus b whole square becomes a square plus b square minus 2ab divided by cot square a minus, this again expand this, 1 plus cosecant square a minus 2 cosecant a. Okay, so cot square a plus, okay, now we have got one more, this bracket square is there, so we will expand this also. So we get cot square a plus 1 plus cosecant square a minus 2 cosecant a minus 2 cot a plus minus into minus is plus 2 cosecant a into cot a divided by denominator will be cot square a minus 1 minus cosecant square a plus 2 cosecant a. Okay, now numerator we have got cot square a plus 1 plus cosecant square a minus 2 cosecant a minus 2 cot a minus 2 cosecant a, cosecant a into cot a. Okay, did I make any mistake here? Yeah, this will be plus. Okay, divided by, you have got cot square a minus 1 minus cosecant square a plus 2 cosecant a. This is equal to, now we know what is 1 plus cot square a. 1 plus cot square a is nothing but cosecant square a. Correct? So this cosecant square a plus this cosecant square a becomes 2 cosecant square a plus, I will take this 2 cosecant a into cot a minus 2 cot a minus 2 cosecant a divided by, we have got cot square a minus cosecant square a minus 1 plus 2 cosecant a. We also know that 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosecant square a. So if this goes this side, cosecant square a minus cot square a is nothing but minus 1. Okay, so we have got, now here I will, in these two I will take 2 cosecant a as common. I get 1 plus cot a, and here I will take minus 2 cot a, sorry, cosecant a ಆದರೆ this will be another cosecant a. 2 cosecant a common ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ cosecant a plus cot a, and this will be minus 2 ಹೊರ ಬಂದರೆ cot a plus cosecant a divided by, this will be minus 1 minus 1 plus 2 cosecant a. Okay, now this and this are same, so I get 2 cosecant a minus 2 divided by cosecant a plus cot A divided by what I have got, sorry, correct? Yes, divided by, I have got 2 cosecant A minus 2 in denominator. So this and this cancels. I get the answer as cosecant A plus cot A. Okay, which is equal to RHS. Correct? RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? Cosecant A plus cot A. All right. Okay. See, in this question, ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ we divided the numerator and denominator by sin A, right? So that we could get cot A. There is another method also. Always we say that we should take it to sin A and cos A. Sin A and cos A ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ cot cosecant ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The reason for that is they have specified, they have asked us to use the identity here. They have asked us, they have told us you have to use this identity, cosecant square A plus is equal to 1 plus cot square A. There is another way of solving this problem. Okay, we will do that also without using this identity. We will simply take cos and sin only. So let us try that also. Very quickly I will do this also. See, LHS is equal to, I can write this as cos A minus sin A minus 1, I am taking a bracket here, is equal to cos A plus sin A minus 1. You can see this here, we have got this, you can take it as A and this is B. ಇದು A ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು B ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ how does the expression appear to be? It is like A minus B by A plus B. Whenever we encounter such A minus B by A plus B, what we do is we rationalize by multiplying both numerator and denominator by A minus B. Same thing we will do here. We will multiply the numerator and denominator by cos A minus sin A minus 1 divided by cos A minus sin A minus 1. So numerator becomes, both terms are same, so it will become square, that is cos A minus sin A minus whole square divided by A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B will be A square minus B square in the denominator. So let's expand this. This become cos square A plus sin A minus 1 whole square minus 2 cos A into sin A minus 1. ಏನಿದು A minus B whole square. It becomes A square plus B square minus 2AB. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ this is A, this is B. A minus B whole square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, A square plus B square minus 2AB. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, denominator will be cos square A minus this, I am expanding, it becomes sin square A plus 1 minus 2 sin A. Okay, now numerator ಏನಿದೆ cos square A plus, I am expanding this, it becomes sin square A plus 1 minus 2 sin A minus, now let's expand this, minus 2 cos A into sin A, minus 2 into minus 1 becomes plus 2 cos A divided by cos square A minus sin square A plus 1 minus 2 sin A. Now what is cos square A plus sin square A? We have got cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 2 sin A minus 2 cos A. So ಇವೆರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 2 cos A ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿಬಹುದು. What I will do is I will take minus 2 cos A common. I will get sin A minus 1 divided by, you got, now observe this, what I will do is cos square A what is cos square a plus 1? No, we have made a mistake here. See, this minus idu mil bandre, this will become minus 1. Okay, so now cos square a minus 1. What is cos square a minus 1? It is nothing but minus sin square a. Okay na? So minus sin square a minus this, as it is, it will come sin square a minus 2 sin a. Yenike reason? No, because we have got sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Therefore cos square a minus 1 is equal to sin square akade hodre minus sin square a agutte. This concept we have used here. Okay, so this becomes 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 2 sin a minus 2 cos a into sin a minus 1 divided by minus sin square a is minus 2 sin square a minus 2 sin a. Illi what I will do is I will take 2 as common. I will get 1 minus sin a minus 2 cos a into sin a minus 1 divided by denominator I will take minus 2 sin a common. So I will get sin a minus 1. Okay, see, you'll observe madi, here I have got sin a minus 1, here sin a minus 1, but illi 1 minus sin a ide. So I will multiply, I will take minus 1 as common horgade. So this becomes minus 2 into sin a minus 1 minus 2 cos a into sin a minus 1 divided by minus 2 sin a into sin a minus 1. ಇದೇ ಥರ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಲಿ ಈ ಟರ್ಮಲ್ಲೂ ಮೈನಸ್ sin a minus 1 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಟರ್ಮಲ್ಲೂ sin a minus 1 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಈಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ sin a minus 1 as common. I will get minus 2 minus 2 cos a divided by denominator I will keep it as it is minus 2 sin a into sin a minus 1. This cancels with this. So I am left with, here I will take minus 2 common, minus 2 into 1 plus cos a divided by minus 2 into sin a. So minus 2 cancels. I am left with 1 plus cos a by sin a, or is equal to 1 by sin a plus cos a by sin a, which is equal to cosecant a plus cot a is equal to RHS. See, even in this way we can solve this problem, but here we have used the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We have not used this identity. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಶೋನ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ then you can solve like this also. Okay, any method will give you the same answer. Let's come to the part 6th question. Let us directly take LHS is equal to square root of 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a. Whenever you see such terms 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a, what we have to do is we have to rationalize. So how? Multiply numerator and denominator by root of square root of 1 minus 1 plus sin a. Okay, so this becomes square root of 1 plus sin a divided by 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a divided by 1 plus sin a. Numerator is nothing but a plus b whole square, and denominator becomes a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so these formulas if we use here, we get this equal to square root of 1 plus sin a whole square divided by square root of a square minus b square. This is equal to root and square cancels, becomes 1 plus sin a divided by, what is 1 minus sin square a? 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a, correct? Because cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. So we have square root of cos square a. So this is nothing but 1 plus sin a divided by cos a, or we have got 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a is equal to secant a plus tan a is equal to RHS. Alright, this is a very simple question. Next, 7th question. We will 7th part 7th LHS ತಗೋಣ. LHS is equal to sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. This is also very easy question. Numeratorly sin theta common ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. I am getting 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by denominatorly cos theta common ಆಗಿದೆ. I am getting 2 cos square theta minus 1. So either numerator we can convert it in terms of cos square, or denominator ಇರೋದು ಈ 2 cos square theta na we can convert it in terms of sin square. See, already you are getting sin theta by cos theta ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, tan theta. So somehow the remaining two terms is going to become 1. Okay, so you should always observe RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, based on that you should do the solve the problem. Okay, so now we will take cos square a na convert ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ try ಮಾಡೋಣ. See, we've got sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, we have cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. This we are going to substitute here. So, numerator as it is, sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos theta into twice of 1 minus sin square theta minus 1. This is nothing but sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos theta into 2 into 1 is 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1. This is equal to sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos theta into 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. This and this gets cancelled. You are left with sin theta by cos theta, which is nothing but tan theta is equal to right hand side. Next, let's come to 8th question. Let us take directly LHS is sin a plus cosecant a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square. This is nothing but a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we have got sin square a plus cosecant square a plus 2 sin a into cosecant a. ಅದೇ ಥರ next this will be cos square a plus secant square a plus 2 cos a into secant a. But we know sin a is equal to 1 by cosecant a. Therefore we get this equals to sin square a plus cosecant square a plus sin a into cosecant a becomes sin cancel agi 1 barutte. So this is 2 because of this identity. Similarly ಅದೇ ತರ cos a into secant a is cos a into 1 by cos a. So ಇದು cancel ಆಗಿ 2 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. So we've got 2 plus cos square a as it is plus secant square a plus 2. Okay, this 2 and this 2 becomes 4. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus sin square a plus cos square a. We have got sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1 because ಏನಕ್ಕೆ sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Therefore that one came here. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೇನು ಉಳಿತೀಗ? Now we are left with cosecant square a plus secant square a. Okay, this is equal to 5 plus cosecant square a plus secant square a. ಬಟ್ RHS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? tan ಮತ್ತು cot ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫರ್ದರ್ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ cosecant ಮತ್ತು secant ನ tan ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಫರ್ದರ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತು? cosecant square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a and secant square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. So substituting these here, we get this equals 5 plus 1 plus cot square a plus 1 plus tan square a is equal to 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus cot square a plus tan square a, which is equal to RHS. Okay. Next question. They have given a hint. Simplify LHS and RHS separately. So first let us take LHS. So LHS ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? cosecant a minus sin a into secant a minus cos a. What we will do? We will convert everything in terms of sin and cos. So this is equal to, what is cosecant a? This is 1 by sin a minus sin a into secant a is 1 by cos a minus cos a. Okay. So this is equal to denominator sin a LCM 1 minus sin square a. Is which formula we have to write here? Cosecant a is equal to 1 by sin a and secant a is equal to 1 by cos a. Okay. So into, we have got LCM cos a, numerator becomes 1 minus cos square a. Okay. So this is nothing but, what is 1 minus sin square a? 1 minus sin square a, we know cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. Correct? So therefore cos square a will be 1 minus sin square a, and similarly sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. Okay. So we will use these formulas here. So 1 minus sin square a becomes, 1 minus sin square a becomes cos square a divided by sin a into 1 minus cos square a becomes sin square a. Sin square a divided by cos a. Here 1 cos a gets multiplied with the ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 sin a, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 sin a ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So we are left with cos a into sin a. Okay. We will leave it as it is. Now let us take the RHS. RHS ಏನಿದೆ? RHS is equal to 1 divided by tan a plus cot a. Tan a plus cot a. So what is tan a? 1 divided by sin a by cos a plus cot a is cos a by sin a. Correct? So what is the 1 divided by, LCM will be cos a into sin a. So this becomes sin square a plus cos square a. So here denominator of a denominator goes to the numerator. So this is nothing but cos a into sin a divided by sin square a plus cos square a. But we know sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So we get the answer cos a into sin a by 1. So we have got both as cos a sin. Therefore we will get LHS is equal to RHS is equal to sin a into cos a. Hence proved. Okay. Next question. See, we have to prove this. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, we have to show that A is equal to B is equal to C. Okay. So let us take one by one. First let us show A and C are same, and then we will show B and C are same, and therefore A is equal to B is equal to C ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So let us take first, let us take this expression first. So that is 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. What is the identity? 1 plus tan square A is nothing but direct identity is there. We have identity secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square A theta and cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So this becomes 1 plus tan square is secant square theta by cosecant square theta. This is nothing but secant theta by cosecant theta whole square. See, 1 by cosecant is nothing but this is 1 by cosecant theta into secant theta is 1 by cos theta. Secant theta is 1 by cos theta. So 1 by cosecant theta. This is nothing but sin theta by cos theta whole square. So this is nothing but tan square theta. Okay. So we proved this term is equal to this term. Now let us take the other term. Now let us take 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square. Okay. See, illi we can make both sin A and cos A convert ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೋರಿಸಬಹುದು. But another easier method, and we already want it in terms of tan A. So let us convert the denominator cot A into tan A. This is nothing but 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus 1 by tan A. Okay. This is equal to whole square ಇರುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus tan A minus 1. Okay. So this is equal to this denominator of a denominator goes to numerator. This square is sorry. So this is nothing but tan A into 1 minus tan A divided by tan A minus 1 whole square. Okay. This is equal to, see, this cuts with this by minus 1 minus tan A whole square. So once you square a minus number it becomes tan square A. So we got the RHS. So both now we have proved this is also equal to this. So all three terms are equal. Okay.